Morning guys, I'm cooking for Kymmy. We're making some brekkie. I've got my Aussie Osbourne Riggy shirt on, love Aussie. Kimmy's watching, what are you watching honey? There's Panther.
I didn't, Trust Man.
One arm man.
Yeah.
Don't bite the camera. She's biting the camera. Alright, so we're doing scrambled eggs. A la, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we've got some eggs. Only small. Okay, tiny eggs, aren't they? Okay, so we've got 6 eggs in there. Let's keep that. I think somebody uses them for something. Get them out of the way. Well, they go back in the fridge. Cream. I use cream and nothing but cream. I know it's bad, but it's good. Yep, that's good. Where are we? Okay, we want some salt. And some pepper. Just a little bit because Kymmy, I want a little bit of salt, didn't put much in that one. Okay, probably need more cream. Over here. You can see there I've got some mushrooms I'm going to do. That'll work. Alright, so I'm going to put this on first. This is the mushrooms. I'm going to put a bit of olive oil in here. There we go. Mushies. This looks a lot, but they melt down. Mushrooms, you know what I mean? Onion. Hey! I'm using my mate Jacob made us this wild boar tray that I'm cooking on or cutting on. That's probably enough. I don't want too much onion. Finer the better. Oh, what the fuck's that? Nice bit of skin. Oh, let's toss that because we got heaps of onions. And this can go in with that. Also, do a bit of capsicum too. Not a lot. have to have this as small as the onion. But you just want little bits, so it's not overpowering. That might be too much. So you might find I've probably done a bit too much red. That's probably enough there. Good. Those I'll just wrap up and use again. That there I've wasted. But I could have put it in there, but I don't like it too overpowering. Here's my spoon. Bit more olive oil. That'll take a while to go down, and we want to put a bit of tiny bit of salt, pepper. I want some garlic, crushed garlic will do. Well, there's not much in there. Kimmy's gone quiet. What you doing, Kymmy? You're quiet. Oh, she's on the phone. Okay, I'm going to turn this one on. Now, I'm going to use butter here because I just fucking love it. So, I'm still on my diet, alright? I'm still on my diet. Still haven't had any sugar. So I'm just having honey with my tea, drinking more water, staying off soft drinks. Haven't got drunk. You know what I mean? Like, because we drank a lot of bloody bourbon cans and shit. So, I did have a drink. But what I mean is I didn't get drunk. And what I'd had was just having vodka, soda water and lime. Real lime, and just squash the lime. But I'm still smoking, so it's fucked. It's hot today. It's supposed to get up to 35 degrees. It's about 10 o'clock. 9:40 or something. All right. Good. I'll do that spoon. Come out. Toast it, go on. Couple plates. Smelling good. Where's me? Where's the Glad wrap? Have I got no Glad wrap? Oh, I wonder if they'll fit in them. No, they probably won't. What have I got here? Is that Glad wrap? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Oh, babe, can you wrap these things for me? I'm just hopeless at some stuff.
What do you want me to wrap?
You know the Glad wrap?
Yeah.
Can you wrap those 2 capsicums? Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, babe. I got an order from Tamu. Said it had been delivered.
Yeah.
But they sent it to the wrong fucking address.
Oh.
So now I've got to wait until it comes back to their warehouse and then ring them again.
Well, how'd they get the wrong address?
I don't know. It said Springwood. It's crazy.
I think Timu have got a place in Australia now.
Yeah, I know. I talked to some Chinese lady.
In Australia?
I don't know whether she was in Australia or where. Yeah, I think it was an Australian number.
So, baby, I've got scrambled eggs, but I put in capsicum and onion.
Yeah.
And then I've got some...
Can I throw the mushrooms in there?
I was going to cook them first.
Oh, yeah.
I might do them separate. You like to mix it all together, though, don't you?
I don't care what you do, baby, as long as you feed me. Lovely.
See, you could have done this in the microwave.
I always put mine in the microwave.
Yeah. Well, you can, can't you? And normally I would, but because I got Kymmy here doing the dishes, well, I like to make lots of dishes.
No, that's not fair.
You didn't have to. They would still just be there. Kymmy can't stick. That's what I mean. No, you're right. You do way better than I do. You fold it better than me. Yeah, I do. It's just it's a Gabby fold. Pardon? Yeah, I know. Well, what can I say, darling? You have gifts. Oops, that's done. It's a little bit darker, that one, so I'll make that one Kymmy's. Kymmy likes hers dark. Her toast more cooked than me. It's just the little things, isn't it, guys? Hey? Alright, that's looking pretty good. Always just fill your pans with water, eh? So easy to clean later. When Kymmy cleans it. Oh, I should have my toast back more. And that is our brekkie. Come and grab your brekkie, babe. Now, please. No, it's only because I wanted to end the video. She's on her phone. She lives on her phone. Do you have that in a relationship where there's another person in the relationship because they're on their phone?
You're such a liar. Such a liar.
Don't tickle me. So, what do you think?
Beautiful.
That one's yours.
Okay, thank you. Looks lovely, darling.
Mwah.
Thank you. Mwah.
Alright guys, that's cool for Kymmy. Bye guys. What are we doing today?
I don't know what we're doing.
It's pretty hot, probably not a lot.
Yeah, no.